Welcome to multiple choice question 2 of the 2007 Mathematical Methods Exam 2. In this video we will be looking at the solution for this question. A reminder that this video is in no way endorsed by VCAA. And before we move on, I'd just like to point out that the use of a CAS calculator may assist in answering this question. I'll show you how to do it with and without a calculator in this video. So for question 2, we let g of x equal x squared plus 2x minus 3, and f of x is e to the power of 2x plus 3. And the question asks us to find f of g of x's rule. So f of g of x would be f with g of x substituted in, so that's going to be x squared plus 2x minus 3 inside f of x. And then that is going to equal e to the power of 2x, which we just worked out, replacing x with x squared plus 2x minus 3. And then in that same power, we'd still have a plus 3 at the end. And now that doesn't quite look like any of the options. So what we'd want to do is just expand out that bracket. So we get e to the power of 2x squared plus 4x minus 6 plus 3. And then collecting up the minus 6 and the plus 3, we get e to the power of 2x squared plus 4x minus 3 as our answer. So that's going to give D as the correct answer for this question. And now I've done that by hand. I'm now just going to look at how we could use a CAS calculator to do that same problem. On the CAS calculator, go into the main menu. Next, we want to define the two functions g and f. So starting with g of x, that was x squared plus 2x minus 3. And we can highlight that and go interactive define, and that was g. So going A, B, C and selecting g, we can press OK. We now have g of x defined. And then we can type in f of x, which will need the keyboard and our e to the power of 2x plus 3, all in the power. And we can define that interactive define as f of x. And then the question asks for f of g of x. So just make sure you get that right. So f, and then inside that we'll want g, and then hitting execute will give us this rule, which at the moment it doesn't look like any of the rules that are in the options A through E. So the difference is that the power, so everything up here has been expanded. So I'm just going to drag that down and then go interactive transformation expand and hit OK. So our rule will actually be e to the power of 2x squared plus 4x minus 3. So once again, D is the correct answer, and that's what the calculator gives as well. And from the examiner's report, we can see that this question was really well done in the exam, with 86% of students getting the correct option for that question.